Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is something completely new to my channel. It's not a new product, but it is new to my channel. This is a no makeup day. You guys have heard me say it, let that skin breathe. The only thing I actually have on right now is the Tula Cooling Eye, because children, look at these eye bags I've got going on today. I'm like, what in the world? But I have, look how pretty this package is. I'm going to keep this and maybe reuse it. But I have a brand new subscription to bring to you guys. This is Mask Maven. Now, you've heard me say I want to get back into masking. My skin is doing really good. It's actually doing really good. I do still have a few little breakouts here and there. I have some small hormonal break. Well, I don't know how small they are, but an occasional hormonal breakout. And I have some discoloration around my eyes a little bit right up in here. I have freckles. I have like a, mole. Have all the usual stuff, scars. I have a few lines starting on my forehead. Focus on your skincare, children. Be sure you're focusing on your skincare. So this is Mask Maven, and I have cut this open so we can take this out and look. I do have a link to Mask Maven down below. If you'd like to sign up. It is, shoot, I just looked at it. It's either $13 or $15 a month. I want to say $15 a month plus shipping. You get 9 masks in here. I did do the 3-month subscription just to try it out. And so, yeah. Let's see what we got. I normally buy my mask on like Shop Miss A, or I'll grab like some at TJ Maxx. They have box sets, but these are usually like a theme, and every month is different. And I love this organza bag it's in because I will definitely reuse that for something. And we got a little paper here all about milk. So apparently this is the February box. So I did order this. I think it was like February the 12th. As long as you order before the 15th, you will get that month's box. But it did take it a while to get to me. So this is February of 2021, and it is all about milk. Milk. One of the best kept beauty secrets is the ingredient milk. It will keep your skin nourished and moisturized, especially in the upcoming winter months. They say that milk does a body good, but even better, it keeps your skincare and beauty regimen amazing. XOXO, the boutique monthly team. You can win a $20 gift card for like a selfie with the products. You can earn free boxes for referring friends. And inside are the masks they sent. And on the back is just more rigmarole. Okay. So, tomato mask. This is not even milk. This is a tomato mask. So, I'm thinking, I see down here on the bottom it says mystery mask. So, this is tomato. I have never seen a tomato mask. Why we love it. Can you guess which milk-infused mystery mask you will be receiving this month? Tag us on social media. This is not... Yeah, this is not on here anywhere. This is not milk. This is tomato. So I have no idea. But what does it say? The optimum skin condition is maintained by tomato ingredient to make elastic and moisturizing for elasticity and moisturizing. That products protects the stimulated skin from the external environment and keeps the moist and elastic skin. You gotta love when things are like translated and it's not quite what it's supposed to, you know what I'm saying? When you read things that have been translated to English, it's not quite. But there is a tomato mask that is not listed on here. It does say a mystery mask, but this has nothing to do with milk. So we're going to, there's a tomato. I do see this one. Epure Real Big Yogurt 1-bottle mask. Treat yourself to a sheet mask to help brighten and even out your skin tone. Yogurt extract and some big word I'm not going to try to pronounce. Lactobacillus. Ooh, I might have got that one. Helps strengthen the skin barrier, resulting in firmer, healthier skin. This is mango, so I'm taking it. It is a mango yogurt. See how everything is in, like, I guess it's Korean, because these are usually Korean skincare. And this one doesn't even have English on it. It says brightening and it says mango. There is no English on it whatsoever. So there is the mango. This one does have some English. I can read this one. What are you? Milk. Farm Stay Visible Difference Milk Mask. Details milk the difference. Fresh milk extract contains lactic acid and potassium. Together, these key ingredients will help moisturize, hydrate, and nourish the skin, leaving you with a useful and glowing complexion. Fresh milk extract moisturizes skin to refresh and with vitality. The sheet adheres to skin closely and smoothly to transform your skin vibrant and moist all day without irritation. Oh my gosh, I love these the little blurbs on here. So there is a milk mask. It says the same thing on the back. And it says how to use. Refresh your skin by cleansing or clarifying lotion. Open pouch, apply the mask. Except around the eyes and mouth. Relax, leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Wow, I usually go like 10 to 15. This is saying 20 to 30. Gently massage fingers to enhance absorption of the remaining residue. And I've told you guys, when I put these on my face, whatever's left on my hands from like smoothing it down on my face, and I take it down on my neck, I rub it on the back of my hands. So, and there's usually some good goo down in the pack if you want to squeeze that out like the next day. Like, I leave my pouch sitting on the back of my sink, and you can squeeze out some more of that juice the next day and use it. That's just a hint. This is a strawberry 1-pack face mask. It looks like this. Real milk essence in this sheet mask provides skin with nourishment, prevents future dryness. Vitamin C rich strawberry extract gives a glowing and clear appearance. There's a strawberry. I hope it smells like strawberry. I want to know, does it smell like strawberry? Same kind of concept. It looks like a little milk jug. This is the coconut. Intensely hydrate your skin with this coconut milk sheet mask packed with essence rich in fiber and vitamin B. Packed with essence rich in fiber and vitamin. That's exactly what it says, vitamin B. Reveals soft, supple skin after 15 to 20 minutes. So there is a coconut milk. I'm confused. Okay. This is a cheese mask. It's cheese. There's 2 of them. Okay, which one is this? This is the brown one. Okay, MJ Care Real Cheese Soothing and Calming Mask. More cheese, please. The soothing and calming essence of this sheet mask helps relieve irritation by forming a protective barrier to protect and alleviate the skin. It's cheese. And check out that little cow. Check out the little cow. Oh my gosh. I've never had a cheese mask either. So milk and cheese and tomatoes. Here's the same thing, but it's in blue. This one says real cheese firming and lifting. Cheese the day. Cheese the day, guys. This firming and lifting sheet mask helps balance oil and moisture while nourishing the skin to keep it strong and healthy. I just don't know. Do I want cheese on my... Well, we put yogurt and we put like honey, and I've seen people put egg. I mean, why not cheese? What the heck? These, oh my gosh, look at the packaging. You guys cannot see the hologram. There is a holographic. I know my camera's not picking it up. There's like this beautiful pinpointy holographic. I don't think my camera's picking it up at all on this packaging. But that right there is pretty with the peonies or carnations, whatever that is. Whatever kind of flower that is. Milky Glow Nourishing Mask. Let me find you. This is the purple one. Yes. Okay. Who doesn't want a milky glow? This nourishing sheet mask contains milky essence featuring milk and rice bran extract to make the complexion brighter. So this one is for brightening. There is some English. All right. But it has this beautiful iridescent kind of like pinpoints all over it. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Huh, okay. And then last but not least is the blue one. This is a deep glow aqua mask. Revitalize your complexion using one of our favorite milky glow masks, formulated with extracts from calendula. And calendula is a flower. It is fantastic for your skin. Aloe vera and rice bran. This deep aqua mask leaves skin brightened and balanced. And it even tells you down here on the bottom how to use a sheet mask. After cleansing and toning, carefully remove the sheet. Apply for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove mask and massage. Do not rinse off. Now, guys, I leave it on for a little bit, but I do take a clean, damp washcloth and just kind of, because I cannot stand all of that sticky stuff remaining on my face. I'll leave it on as long as I can stand it, but after that, I have to take off, kind of get off some of that excess, if you will. I can't. But I will have a link to this down below if you'd like to sign up. I don't know if I get anything. Like maybe we get a free sheet mask or something for refer. Oh, I remember what it said. After 4 referrals, you get a free box. That's what it was. Yes. Refer 4 friends and you'll receive a box on us. So that's what the link is for. If you'd like to try this, I do have a link down below, and it will also give you a referral link so you can refer friends as well. But these baggy bags under my eyes, I'm going to pull one out right now. Which one do I want? I wish they had one that said firming. Did they not have one that said firming? I'm going to do the deep aqua mask, and we're going to do that one today. Now, after I do this mask, we're going to make some soap. So the soap I'm going to be making today is called Cocoa Butter and Cashmere. Really excited to do that one. It's going to have calendula on it, actually. It's going to have flower petals, pink Himalayan sea salt on the top. It's going to have a very small amount of a French rose clay swirl in the center. I think it's going to be very pretty. Now that I have the correct lye to use, I ordered the wrong lye and just screwed up several batches of soap because I had the wrong thing. But today we're going to make some soap. But first, we're going to mask. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure you hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up. We're getting really close to 2K. There'll be a giveaway. You might see some sheet mask. I always put sheet mask in there. What am I saying? I always put some kind of mask in my giveaways. All right, guys, I'm going to mask, and I'll see you guys later.